Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I do all sorts of unboxings, clothing, jewelry, sometimes even food, and I do all sorts of reviews. And today I have my Stitchfix box. I don't even know how many Stitchfix. I think I'm at probably over 100. So let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And I'm just checking to see how many Stitchfix. 105 Stitchfix. And I probably kept over 105 pieces. So if you're new to Stitchfix, it's a $20 styling fee that gets applied towards anything you purchase. And they do have the styling pass. I think mine's up for renewal. It's $49. And then you can get as many fixes as you want, and you don't have to pay that $20 anymore. It comes with the return bag. It comes with your invoice, and then it comes with your styling card. And I keep requesting Susie because she gets me. Now, sometimes we have an off fix, but she usually works on it, and I have Susie. And I know we peaked because you get 10 picks and you can pick 5 of those items. And sometimes I picked my own 5, sometimes I pick 2, and then I return, or then she sends me what I don't pick. This is my bundle, and I have a piece of jewelry, and then I have this, oh, and I have a handbag. So what do you want to open first? You want to open up the handbag? So it's springtime, summertime, so we're going to get those summer colors. So how you guys all doing? Are you getting cold weather still? You getting hot weather? I know we've pushed that 100-degree mark here. And we just went up and enjoyed ourselves at Lake Havasu, Arizona. It's full of fun lakes, boats, ski jets, all sorts of things you do. And we took our RV and we camped not right on the water, but we did have a water view. And it was so nice having our coffee and looking out at the water. So this is the color. It's really a pretty color, and it's a Tahari bag. Do love my Tahari, and it's got a silver metal, and I do like silver. So it's a crossbody bag, and I did use a crossbody bag while we were out of town. Did not have enough room, let me tell you. Between trying to put my sunglasses, his sunglasses, the keys, everything in it, I do need a bigger bag. But this is so much fun if you're going out to dinner or just shopping and you don't need to carry all that stuff. And it is full of stuffing in here, but I know it would be good for just a day out, even with the girls. And it is so soft. So thing, and let's go to the jewelry. Always love getting jewelry, and I can't remember what the jewelry item was. I don't really like getting earrings. I don't mind a necklace. This looks like a bracelet. Why don't I remember this? Oh, it is a necklace. It's a very short necklace. It's silver, and it's really kind of dainty. And I can't tell. I thought at first they were hearts, but it looks like it would choke me. So I'll have to check and see how many inches, but that really is kind of pretty. Let's see if it says anything on here. It's by Marilyn Schiff, and I have heard of her, but it just looks like it would choke me. So let's get in to the 3 pieces that are left. And I do remember, I can't remember if it was shorts or jeans, but I do remember there was a cute t-shirt in here. So it looks like jeans, and we're really not into jean weather anymore, but they look like they're a boyfriend jean in a $9.29, and they're Judy Blue. And I love the Judy Blue brand, whether it's in jeans or shorts. I do love a good Judy Blue, and they do have some stretch on them. So look forward to trying them on. And then there were a couple t-shirts, and this is by Pink Clover, and it feels so soft. It's like a jersey, but it feels so soft. And this is the Pink Clover candy short sleeve knit top, off-white in a large. So yeah, this looks actually kind of comfy. And our last piece is Market and Spruce, and it is the Wanna High Low Knit Top, light blue in a large. And I think I picked this one out because it looked just kind of fun, so something to throw on with my shorts. So I'll be right back with the try-on. Okay, I am back with the first outfit. I am wearing the Market and Spruce Wanna High Low Knit Top in light blue in the large. And this retails for $44. It's super comfortable. I do like the wash. It's definitely something I would wear. You can just throw it on. It pairs great with the jeans, and it would be perfect with jean shorts. And it's low in the back, so it covers up everything. And oops, I'm blown away here. And I have it with the Judy Blue Ilana mid-rise straight jean in indigo, and these are a size 8. And I just love the way they fit. They have the stretch. They're just a simple jean. It's very stretchy. They fit. I can breathe in them. And then I'll pull you down so you can see the bottom. I'll try to pull you down. So you can see I have them on with flip-flops, but you can wear them with just about anything. You can wear them with a boot, but I kind of like them the way they are. And I believe these were, I'm hearing voices, the neighbors are out, and these were $64, so not a bad price for Stitchfix and Judy Blue. So I will be right back with the next top. Okay, I'm back with the last top. And this is the Pink Clover Candy Short Sleeve Knit Top. And it is the large. Trying to keep my paper from blowing away. It is super comfortable. Turn around. And I brought the Tahari handbag. I didn't open it up all the way because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, but it is crossbody, and it is this pretty color. And I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. What a fun fit. I think Susie did a great job. So again, the crossbody was $78. The knit top I'm wearing is $34. The necklace by Marilyn Schiff was $34. The Judy Blue pants were $64, and the Market and Spruce high-low top was $44. So the total price was $254. The buy all discount, you take off $63.50, so the total was $190. So for a Tahari handbag and a pair of jeans and a piece of jewelry for under $200, it was a pretty good price. Will I wear it all? Will I use it all? Don't think so. I'm gonna pass on the Tahari only because that color just doesn't go with everything. and that was $78, so it's just not something that I would reach for all the time. I'm really loving this top. I just think it's a fun top. I like the jeans that I'm wearing, and of course you have to go by Stitchfix math. They always get you. So if I kept those two things, that would bring me at $98. And I did like the other blue top, but I could live without it. So what do? Do I keep everything for $190, or do I keep two pieces for $98? This is just such a big decision for me. I have a lot of thinking to do. Excuse me, so I really need your help. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, taking the time out. Don't forget, if you like me and my videos, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.